We are also joined by Mr. Ayab Ahmed. He's a political analyst and a columnist from Pakistan, Islamabad. Ayab, thank you for speaking with us. I hope you can hear me.
Yes, I can hear you.
All right. Ayab, your reactions, to what was said in the parliament about the army general, Mr. Bajwa, in fact, shaking in fear at the prospect of going to war with India.
You can say that is just a viewpoint in our parliament. It's not actually an official statement by ISPR or any other official department. It's just a viewpoint from the opposition. Opposition can say many things like this. So I think, what I need to say here is like India should mind his own business right now, because what is happening in Kashmir, what is happening with what you guys are doing with in your state, the rapes and the terrorist activities that are going on in Kashmir with the people of Kashmir, what you guys are doing with them, I think you should look into your country first, and then you should look into Pakistan, what's happening in Pakistan.
Are you sure you're talking about the right country? Because any Pakistani talking about terrorism is really funny. What about the...
No, it's not funny. It's not funny. We are now in a better position in the FATF as well. We are getting now, sooner or later, we are getting removed from the FATF as well. You need to look at your side. You need to look at your country side first.
And the minorities in your country.
Can I speak?
You're killing him.
What is happening in Gujarat? What happened in Gujarat in India? What happened there? You killed the minorities. What Mr. Modi did with the minorities? What you guys are doing with the Muslim? The whole world knows that. You are a terrorist state. Your prime minister is a terrorist prime minister. You are a terrorist state. People have admitted it. You just are playing in the lobbies of some countries. That's it. You guys are declared terrorists.
I don't even understand how they let you be a journalist or a columnist in any part of the world with such a skewed perception about the most common thing.
It's not a perception. It's not a perception. You guys, listen, the whole world knows what is happening in Kashmir. The whole world knows what is happening in Kashmir. What you guys are doing, you guys are just keeping an eye on Pakistan and on the issues of Pakistan, what is happening here. You don't know what is happening in your state. You're just looking into Pakistan because you guys are fearful from Pakistan, that Pakistan is always, is always proven to be better than India. You guys are a failed state. You're just playing on the...
क्या बात कर रहे हैं भाई साहब? हिस्ट्री ज्योग्राफी कहाँ से पढ़ के आए हो? मदरसे से पढ़ के आए हो क्या? मदरसे से पढ़ के आए हो क्या? पहले ये बताओ, पहले पढ़े लिखे कहाँ से हो भाई? मदरसे से पीएचडी क्या? मतलब you are talking absurd things on national TV, यार.
Can I just intervene 1 second? Sumit, just
open your mouth like this.
Sumit, just give me 2 seconds. Can I just okay, fine. Whatever this gentleman might be saying, can I say something?
I know what you guys do. I know what you guys do. You guys are just, hearkening in the TV channels and just doing a one-sided talk show. That's it. You don't show the other side of the picture.
Can I say one thing? Can I make a point?
Not school you went to, or even if you went to, what school was that? Perhaps it was a madrasa owned by Osama bin Laden and Abata. Go ahead.
I'm sorry to say we are not entertaining such type of madrasas here in Pakistan. It must be India who's just creating the terrorist under the fascist government of Modi. It's just India.
A martyr in your country, world's #1 terrorist, hides in your cantonment, and you tell him a martyr. You have 40,000 which Imran Khan Niazi admits. You get panic attacks because India will come and take it. You have 7,000 fighters.
Can I speak? I want to speak.
Joyita, go ahead.
Yeah, the thing is, you see, let's forget about everything else. Day before yesterday, a joint statement was issued by US and India in which Pakistan was mentioned as a terrorist sponsoring state, and in which several terrorist groups were mentioned that are being groomed by Pakistan. Obviously, our learned Pakistani friend has not been following international news, and obviously they are still hoping that they are going to come out of the FATF, which is not going to happen. I mean, frankly, because you see, they keep failing on different standards. So they can keep on hoping while they become a basket case and implode from inside. We are waiting for the day when Pakistan breaks up into 4 provinces.
Ayab Ahmed Saab, suniye. You have 40,000 terrorists which Imran Khan Niazi admit. Your 6,000
think-
fighters in Afghanistan, which Imran Khan Niazi admits.
I think you guys need to look into yourselves. You are brutally killing the Kashmiris. You are killing the Kashmiris.
We are doing what we are perfect. We are dominating Kashmir.
You did episode of Nankana Sahab. Your health budget is less than
We showed a peaceful gesture. What Abhinandan was doing here in our state, people would have killed Abhinandan here in Pakistan. Our army killed him.
It would have showed your character.
What was in the Indian basket
Abhinandan,
doing
it
in
would
our
have showed
country?
your character or lack of it.
Tell me who could be Nazir Bhutto? You want Musharraf to be called and his corpse to be hanged? This is your Supreme Court.
You guys are fearful from Musharraf. You guys are fearful from Musharraf. Why?
क्या बात करें? Why does your Imran Khan Niazi get panic attacks? Did you forget
Imran Khan doesn't get the panic attacks. India gets the panic attacks every time. India is showing the picture of Pakistan. That's it. India does not know what's happening in India. India is worried about Pakistan. Whatever happening is Pakistan. India is worried about Pakistan. That's it. India does not know that
You don't even
jungle
deserve
they are
to
being
exist as a country. You should be broken up into 4 parts.
killed in India, but you guys are worried
And you
about
will
Pakistan
be.
because you're
You are a liability
fearful
on planet
You're fearful from Pakistan army.
Foreign exchange reserve और बात करते हैं. You beg to
This is your one-sided narrative. This is your one-sided narrative. You need to learn journalism first. You don't have. We are not watching. We are not watching Looney Tunes or Tom and Jerry on the TV. We are sitting as a journalist. You need to learn some ethics of journalism first. Please learn some ethics of journalism. Show the two sides of the story. Don't show the one side of the
You are a
story.
vassal state of China. You are nothing but a sham of a failed nation. Your obsession of India has costed you.
World knows who is the failed nation. World knows who is the failed nation.
If you have courage,
The name starts with I and ends with
challenge
A.
me on the facts. Don't talk crap on the Indian TV. Challenge
Oh, come on,
Challenge
come on.
me the
I
facts.
know how much
मैंने
Indian
कहा,
TV
भैया,
talks
मदरसे
about
से
facts
पढ़ते
and
हो, आप नहीं
figures.
पढ़ाते
You're
ना?
just losers playing cartoons,
What do you
Looney
know?
Tunes and Tom and Jerry's, and you're just playing
Go check
cartoons
out
there.
that
You're sitting.
GDP of India and you will know who is a failed nation. Go check it out.
Oh God, look at the population
check
of the
it
India
out.
first.
Go
Look at
check
the
it
population
out.
of India first. It's so much massive.
You guys don't even deserve to exist as a sovereign country. You should be broken up into 4 parts.
This is your terrorist statement is coming from your own mouth. You want Pakistan
You don't
to
deserve
just
it.
vanish from the world map.
You are not part of
This
the
is your
civilized
terrorist
world.
viewpoint.
You are
This
not
is your
civilized.
terrorist viewpoint. This is your extremist viewpoint. You guys are extremists and the terrorists.
You are
That's
not
it.
civilized. You don't belong to the civilized
We are not
world.
civilized. Oh, very nice. Killing the innocent people is civilization. What
You
people
people are
teach
uncivilized.
State, Osama bin Laden is a martyr. Your country makes babies in the prison. That is what you are about.
Sumit, just hold on to your thought. I have a very simple question for you. आप लोग कितने पैसों में बिके हो चाइना के हाथों? पहले ये बताओ.
आप लोग अमेरिका में कितने पैसों के आगे बिके हैं पहले ये बताएं.
हाँ, आप ये बताइए कि आपने बिरयानी से चॉप सुई खानी कब शुरू कर दी?
आप ये बताएं कि आपने चाय बनाने से वजीर आजम बनना कब शुरू कर दिया?
ना कि एक क्रिकेटर ही मिला था आपको, एक अपना
आपको एक चाय वाला ही मिला था. आपको एक चाय वाला ही मिला था वजीर आजम बनने के लिए. आपको एक चाय वाला ही मिला था. एक चाय वाला ही मिला था. चाय वाले दिन हमारे पास देर लगे हुए था.
आपका क्या है? आपका तो प्लेबॉय है.
हमारा प्ले बॉय है और प्ले बॉय जमाने में था वो इंडिया के साथ ही था.
क्या बॉल टेम्परर को तुमने प्राइम मिनिस्टर बना दिया? जो
तुमने एक चाय वाले को प्राइम मिनिस्टर बना दिया. तुमने एक चाय वाले को प्राइम मिनिस्टर बना दिया. तुम्हारा क्या कर रहा है? मार रहा है लोगों को, बेगुनाह लोगों को मार रहा है. क्या कर रहा है?
Grassroots to become the prime minister of the country. What is your country? Where do your
Our
country?
country is
What
the
kind
most
of
peaceful
social
country in the
mobility
world.
does your
Our
country
country is
have?
the most peaceful country in the world. Our country is the most peaceful country in the world. We are proud. We are proud nation. We are proud to call ourselves
Not
the
for
most
long,
united
not for
nation.
long.
You
You
guys
will cease
cannot
to
do
exist
anything.
as a country.
You guys
Not
cannot
sooner
disturb
or
our
later.
unity. You guys cannot.
Not for long. You are gone.
F-16 का नाम बर्बाद कर दिया तुमने. Lockheed Martin is today shine.
F-16 नजर आ रहे हैं. वो राफेल डील नहीं नजर आ रही जो मोदी ने की थी फ्रांस के साथ.
F-16 गिराया. Where does it happen?
F-16 से तो आप लोगों की हटती है ना. F-16 को क्योंकि रात को रात
You started it.
आया.
93,000 people and lost half of Pakistan. Your great General Niazi.
I want you to tell me वो donkeys कहाँ गए जिनको आपने गिरवी रख के चाइना से लोन लिया है?
सबसे बड़े डंकी एक्सपोर्टर है सर दुनिया के.
बताइए उन गधों के बारे में बताइए. मैं आपकी बात
कौन से
कर रहा हूँ.
जी
चलिए, General Katoch, you want to respond to that? I know this is not your kind of game, But what do you have to say?
Yeah.
Ayab,
No,
peaceful nation in the world.
I just got.
Remember
I just got something to say. One. I think okay. He's simply. The fact number statement which has come out from the Pakistani parliament, it indicates schisms within the Pakistan polity against their military. So that is very, very clear, and that there is no denying.
This is India's narrative. This is India's narrative. India says that Pakistan's politics is joined with the Indian military of Pakistan. It's just India's narrative. In our country, nothing is happening like this.
Sumit, 1 minute. Sumit, 1 minute. Just listen. Firstly, India doesn't worry about Pakistan anymore. It's inconsequential, right? We are dealing with other countries. You just come up as a question mark sometime here and there. So as far as I'm concerned, I've been stating for a very long time now, Pakistan is no longer a military threat to anything to India. It is inconsequential. We don't care, right? Number two, we don't have to worry about your country and what you're doing to yourself. It is your business.
You guys are worried about our country.
It's your business.
On the TV talk show since the morning till the night. Every time the talk is Pakistan.
365 out of 365 days we talk about you sometimes. Don't worry. So
you
don't have
talk
to.
about
We are not
Pakistan
concerned
every
about you.
time. Pakistan is coming in your dreams. You guys are fearful from Pakistan.
No. You are
You guys
inconsequential.
are fearful from Pakistan army.
मच्छरों के भी मारना पड़ता है कभी-कभी, वही हो रहा है।
ये मच्छरों को मारते-मारते पूरा साल गुजर जाएगा, आपका मच्छर नहीं मरेंगे।
You are a rogue nation. You are a liability on humanity. You are a liability on Asia. You are a liability on the people of Pakistan.
I would simply state, you guys are promoting terrorism in the world. You guys are promoting terrorism in the world. World knows what happened.
I just got one.
Our ambassador here in Pakistan, the ambassadors of different
Ayaz Ahmed has got a great sense of.
They visited Kashmir and they saw themselves what India is doing there, how India is bombarding on the different sides of the Indian occupied Kashmir, illegally Indian occupied Kashmir. World knows what is happening there. So better teach yourself, better train yourself before coming on the TV talk shows.
Thinking that India is going to attack, that is the bottom line.
We'll take that Pakistan, that's our territory. Mind it and get it in your head once for straight. We'll take that. That is why Imran Khan Niazi is getting.
You can never take that. You can never take that. Just dare once to enter Pakistan. We will show you what Pakistan is, how united we are, and what our army is. Dare. Just
legs are shaking.
We did enter Pakistan.
That is the bottom
You
line.
never entered Pakistan. When did you enter Pakistan? That's a
अब FATA है, आपका जो बोल है वो फिर से खाली हो गया है। इमरान खान अब सऊदी अरेबिया नहीं जा सकता है, दुबई नहीं जा सकता है, दोनों आपको नाकारा, निकम्मा और टेररिस्ट घोषित कर दिया है और वो नहीं चाहते हैं कि आपसे कोई भी
FATF praised us. FATF praised us on what we did, what initiatives we took. FATF praised us.
If that is prayer, God save you. That's why I told you, which school have you gone to? You don't seem to understand English.
I have gone to a better school than you, I think.
FATF praised you.
Please remember, they kept you on the grey list.
terrorists and
Exactly, you have not come out of the grey list.
Has crossed all. Absurdity has limits. This man has crossed all. I fail to understand. I don't know the English, man. I don't know how to talk to him. बोलता नहीं. क्या करें भाई? और कोई हमें भाषा आती नहीं.
Okay, guys, we're gonna have to take a break at this point in time. Bayab, thank you so much for coming. You braved our questions. You argued with us. We might agree to disagree, but
Thank you.
we are civil. We are not uncivil. So we are going to thank you for coming and taking out the time. Folks, we dip into a break.
you.
Back.